Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong,
Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Real Men Get It Done. It's the holiday season, Christmas time, all that good stuff. So we are going to do a clean and do some Christmas decorating. So not necessarily my forte, cleaning is of course, but I throw my hand in every now and again when it comes to Christmas. So let's see what we can accomplish today. But yeah, if this is your first time tuning in, please feel free, like our channel, subscribe, please hit that notification button. We need that support so that YouTube can show our content to everyone, and so that you can also stay tuned to everything that we do week to week. So let's get in. This should be a fun video. We're gonna do some cleaning and some decorating and all that good stuff. Real men get it done.
oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed.
So after you get done watching my video, guys, in my description, I'm gonna have a playlist there that will be everything Christmas, Vlogmas, Kwanzaa, and in between. I've linked up with some other amazing YouTubers for this collaboration for the month of December. So it'll be fun just sharing all types of different holiday content to you. So go there, like, subscribe to their channel, share that information. Let's just support one another during this holiday season and just see the different flavors that are on YouTube. So I already feel that we've outgrown our home. We've been here almost 5 years and we are actually looking to build a new home. So that'll be cool. Of course, I'll document it on YouTube. But this little nook, that's our kind of dining room. We don't really use it but for holidays because we have our kitchen where we pretty much eat on a regular. So this ends up being my work area for YouTube and my kids' area for all their animals. My kids love animals. My wife buys them for the animals, so we definitely had to deep clean this area where the birds are at, the guinea pigs are at, the dogs are in another area of the house. But this area just gets so messy so quickly, so we have to clean it weekly. But this was just a good deep clean of this area to prepare for our Christmas decorating.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
So of course I've passed down cleaning to my kids, and when I'm doing big projects like this, teamwork definitely makes the dream work. They pitch in, they help, just to make sure we can get the job done in a timely manner. So cleaning, you're gonna have my daughter do some dusting of all of our shelves because it's crazy dusty, yeah, just from whatever. But you guys know some of those areas that you just neglect throughout the course of a week or a month. So have her doing that, and then deep cleaning this couch. So getting all of the cushions up, getting the nooks and cranny of, spilled popcorn or candy or tissue or whatever it may be. Just really trying to deep clean and get the couch in areas that we normally wouldn't necessarily hit on a weekly basis.
My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see. With all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you. Oh, Christmas tree.
Of course, just a lot of dusting. My oldest, she was tired of me having her dust everything, but it needed to be done. Again, this was a deep clean before we get to our decorating. My son, I think I had him in the kitchen because he was being too much of a distraction, just being a typical middle schooler. And my youngest, I think I had her, yeah, she was working on cleaning the cages for all the animals during this time. So yeah, just was getting it in. Crazy stuff up under this couch. I was just amazed of how much stuff was under the couch. Found some sticky stuff I was trying to clean up that ended up hitting the wood floors. But yeah, we just were getting it in all aspects, and then starting to actually put the cushions back on the couch after we got that deep clean vacuum done. Here it is, our final outcome of our living area being deep cleaned and ready to start decorating for the Christmas season. All right, so we're getting ready to get in with the Christmas tree, and as I'm doing that, I'm noticing our windows are filthy. So I have to go in and I want to make sure to clean the inside and outside of the windows first before we put up the tree, and have to have this area as a focal point for over a month. All right, so finally we get to the tree and to the decorations. So we finally get a chance to get in and get our house decorated for this holiday season. Check us out. Alright, so all of our decorations for this holiday season are brand spanking new. And the key is to grab your decorations after Christmas, and you will get tons of deals, 50, 75% off. So all of our decorations, including the tree, are brand new. And that's how we get our stuff the day after Christmas. You'll find a ton of deals, Target, Walmart, you name it. But that definitely is the way to go.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. all of the people around you. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree, honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition.
Doing some of our finishing touches. Always love to put up some of the old ornaments from the kids' school and things like that to add that special touch to our tree. So doing that now, and then we'll move forward to the fireplace and finishing it off.
My sister's here, my cousins too.
So we hadn't had the opportunity to have new stocking stuffers since our kids were little. So it was really cool getting these last year, a great steal at Walmart, and just adding some of the finishing touches. My wife let us to paint with the kiddos. So these are some of their portraits that they've done over the years. Just adds that little special touch.
Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see with all faded.
All right, guys, and here it is, the finished product, the finished outcome. So I hope they gave you some good ideas to kind of enhance your holiday season. As I said, work with what you have for this season, but after Christmas, be sure to go to Walmart, Target, all those spots to pick up some awesome and amazing deals for next holiday season. And as I mentioned before, please go check out the playlist with all of the other collaborators, just inspiring and motivating everyone for this holiday season. And there'll be new videos throughout the month of December. So that's it. Till next time, thank y'all for tuning in. Peace and blessings. Real men get it done.
Honestly,